A new year is here and that means it's time to welcome the new with a lot of fun. High budget, low budget or no budget. Here are some New Year celebration ideas that are bound to give your 2024 a fantastic kickstart. Number 1 is live gigs at home. House parties are the new norm and there are many ways you can make them a memorable one. You can jazz up your house gathering by hiring a musician for your in-house party. Many musicians offer at-home live gigs ready to play a tune as per your liking. You can jam on songs with your relatives and friends or even hire for a band performance. Well, do you know there are live online gigs possible too? All you need to do is, just in case you plan to spend the new year alone, you can actually hire a guitarist to play you live songs to inspire and stir your soul. Not only musicians, you can even call up for stand-up comedians to light up your celebration. Number 2 is staycation. You need not always do club hopping or dance at grand New Year parties for a wholesome New Year celebration. Spending a day or two in a quiet cabin in the woods or a resort is just as good. If you are someone who would like to welcome the new year without glitz and glam, staycation is a fantabulous idea. Even if you are on a shoestring budget, why not choose a place of stay according to your budget? You will get it all. Number 3 is organize a potluck. Potlucks are a great way to bring people together if you would like to welcome 2024 with friends and family by your side. And the best part about it is the food. Let your family and friends choose the comfort food they would want to bring in. Together, it's going to turn into a huge feast to everyone's delight without much pressure on your pockets or efforts. Number 4 is organizing entertaining events at home. There are so many events that you can organize at your very own home without spending too much. How about organizing fun games at your home or organizing an award ceremony with little mementos and gifts? Gather all your friends and family and hold a game tournament with board games or kitty party games. You can even hold a karaoke session and end the day with some award ceremony. Number 5 is take out time for what gives you joy. Celebration can mean different for different people. For some, it can be as simple as going for a trek on the hill or volunteering for a good cause. Helping somebody or offering you service or someone in need is a sure short way to instant happiness. Invest your time in anything and everything. Anything that brings you joy, and this will be the real celebration to step into the new year. Number 6 is explore the new. As you step into this new year, challenge yourself to do something new. Maybe go and sign up for that dance class or gym class you always wanted to join. New might seem scary, but it can be adventurous and life-changing. And this can turn out to be the best starts to your new year. So choose your comfort level, choose your budget and choose your favorite, because New Year celebration is all about feeling new and happy. Have a happy New Year.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.